Hey guys, so welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is Asus ROG not starting up. So first thing is just simply ensure the power adapter and cable are securely connected to both the laptop and a working outlet. Another one is just simply perform a hard reset by disconnecting the power adapter. Press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds and reconnect the power adapter and attempt to power the laptop on. Another one is reset BIOS or EC. So turn off the laptop and unplug it. Press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds and plug in the power adapter and turn on the laptop. Another one is update BIOS. So if the laptop powers on but doesn't boot to Windows, update the BIOS using the Asus Easy Flash utility. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching guys. See ya.